My name is Rachel Richter. I'm a laser hair removal technician, and I'm also a certified aesthetic consultant for Amy Grote, the physician's assistant. I'm also one of the first permanent makeup artists to be licensed in the state of Florida. I've been in the aesthetic practice in this field for about 8 years now, and I should have been here for 20. I love it so much, and I really enjoy seeing a patient either loving how they look after the procedures that I do on them, or anyone here at Shino Bay, as well as to realize how much it's affected their life in a positive way. So I started in laser hair removal classes, and then I heard the buzzing of machines in the next room, and I had to know what that was about, and someone said that was permanent makeup. So I dashed over there and I looked around that class and I thought to myself, I can do it. I can do this, and I could probably do it better than what I was seeing in there. And I eventually took those classes, loved it. I'm still taking advanced courses on it. I learned something every time. And then I added another license to my plate, which was an aesthetic license, which just helps me in everyday activities here and my knowledge of the skin in general. After that, being in this field, I have become in love with the consulting part of it, to explain all of the things, why we do the things that we do here, what goes on, how many you need, etc. So I enjoy giving the knowledge to the patient and making them understand why we do things. They trust us more, as we hope that they would, and it makes sense to everyone why we're doing what we're doing. That part I love. I love that too. I was at another practice where I was for 4 years doing permanent makeup and laser hair removal. And when the opportunity arose to come and work for Dr. Shino Bay, there was no question where I was going to come to, because I've always dreamed of working for Dr. Shino Bay. And now that I'm here, it was worth it. It's a great place to be. He's highly ethical, which is a big concern, especially here in South Florida. He's a good person inside and out, and he has a love of this field like the providers in this office do. He does it because he loves it, and he wants the patient to feel beautiful inside and out. And I have the same philosophy, and I just think it works beautifully. I am so proud to work for Dr. Shino Bay, who is constantly on top of new products, new techniques, and he usually is one of the first to train others on it. So between him telling us about the new products and him actually training, we get to see hands-on how these techniques work, and it's just outstanding. It's so much fun. Laser hair removal is one of the procedures that I do here. This entails a series of treatments done anywhere from 4 weeks to 8 weeks apart, depending on the area of the body that we're treating. It's virtually painless. I'm very happy to use a very advanced laser that we have here. It's called the Elite Multiplex. It fires off very fast. It has very large spot sizes, which is nice. And it blows cold air as opposed to the gel that we used to use for lasers. So the patients are very happy due to the amount of time that it takes to do the laser, which is very quick. It usually requires 6 to 8 treatments in any given area of the body. You are pink in the area that we treat for about 30 minutes to 2 hours tops. You are able to return right back to your daily activities. Another procedure that I do here with the permanent makeup, that requires 1 treatment, and then 4 to 6 weeks later we do a touch-up to solidify the color, and then you are good for it will last you from 2 to 5 years, depending on the routine of skin care, sun exposure, products on the face, etc. I prefer a very natural look, not anything that appears to be tattooed. The patient is usually darker in appearance for the first week and a little bit drawn on. And after that, after the skin sloughs off, you appear very natural from that point on. A nice powdered finish, or on the eyeliner, just a very natural lash line. Lip liner is the same. It will be just a sharp line on the outside with a minimal shading in, so that no one knows that you've gotten it done. That's the point. This is definitely more than just a job. I come here excited to be here. I can't wait to see the results of the people I've done already, meet new people that are nervous. I love to put them at ease when I'm in a consult. And when you educate them and see the light bulb go off, they're very thankful that we have explained why we're doing something for them. And they're amazed that we've set aside that much time for them, as we will every time. If you're interested in any of the procedures that I do, you can stop me in the hallway at any time, or you can ask the concierge at the front to set aside some time for you and myself, and we can sit down and discuss any concerns that you may have. You can rest assured that you will get the best treatment possible here in South Florida.